the Detachable Tour-Pak, what a thought. So you can have the best of both worlds. You can have your stage 4'd up street glide on Sundays with the boys, and this loaded up for the wife for the trip to the beach Saturday. Very cool, very easy. There's a connection that they'll install. So texting you back, awesome guys, do great work. It's one connect there, and then it's pretty much like taking off your backrest. You reach under here, you're gonna flip these forward, off comes the Tour-Pak. We do recommend, especially for the first maybe 6 months, you have someone with you. It's a lot of weight in one spot, so it is kind of awkward taking on and off. Even in the dealership, we probably use 2 to spot just because we don't want to scratch the bikes. It also comes with the antenna relocation kit. We used to recommend the hidden antenna. Harley has done away with the power source for the antenna, so now we are ditching that. Along with the antenna relocation, we're recommending the shorty antenna, so at least it's down low, it's out of the way. The guys in the back get this done in about 2.5 hours, so you're in this whole thing for about 880 bucks. So your convertible street glide just like that. The other cool thing is Harley has racks you can put in your garage. So when it's time to take this off, you can set it up on the rack. If you want to put a backrest on for the day or a luggage rack, slap that on. So now you have a very versatile bike for not a lot of money.